Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if your Apple TV is stuck on preparing update, not moving forward, you can just simply follow along this video and I'm going to show you all of the steps that you can take in order to fix it. So first of all, you need to just wait for a few minutes more. Sometimes the update takes time. So if it's only been a few minutes, you can wait up to 10 to 15 minutes to see if it continues. Now, if it is completely stuck, you can just simply try this particular step. You need to first of all unplug your Apple TV from the power. Afterwards, wait for 30 to 60 seconds and then you need to plug it back in. Then you need to turn your Apple TV on and check if the update resumes. You need to also make sure that your internet connection is stable. If not, you can try restarting your router. You can move Apple TV closer to Wi-Fi and you can even use a wired Ethernet connection if it is possible. Slow internet connection can also freeze the updates, so make sure that your internet connection is stable and working fine. Now, if your Apple TV is still stuck, you just have to simply press and hold the back and the TV buttons together on your remote. Wait until the Apple TV restarts, and this is going to force a system reboot. Also, make sure that you are basically on the updated version. If you see any of the updates, you just have to make sure that you install them. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.